Come visit the Michigan Antique Festival's Classic Car Show, Swap Meet, and For Sale Lot at the Midland County Fairgrounds. 2012 dates are June 2nd and 3rd, July 21st and 22nd, and September 22nd and 23rd. This festival is the largest gathering of classic cars in mid-Michigan. Classic car owners from across the state come to the festival annually to compete and show off their beautiful cars. Come and see the rich history of the Motor City reflected in the chrome. Come and search for that hard-to-find part to finish off your classic ride. Thousands of car enthusiasts have found everything from new old stock Model A parts to custom parts and services. The For Sale Lot is a great opportunity to make a sale to one of thousands of potential buyers and sell that classic car that hasn't been getting the love that it deserves. Visit Mid-Michigan's most loved car show, Swap Meet, and For Sale Lot at the Midland County Fairgrounds. 2012 dates are June 2nd and 3rd, July 21st and 22nd, and September 22nd and 23rd. Come on out and see a piece of your American history.
Hi, I'm Al Heckema from Muskegon, Michigan. This is a 37 Packard 120, 138-inch wheelbase CD. I've had it 42 years. Jump seats, it's 7-passenger. It's the largest of the small Packards. From here it goes to the Super 8, and then after that the V12. I've never seen one like this. That's about it.
Hi, I'm Mel Stacy. I brought this 1966 Chevy Impala. It was my father's car. He bought it new in 1966, and I have the original window sticker. It's $2,900, and I've had it he passed away in 1970. I've had it for 41 years. I don't know if years. I've been coming to this one for years.
Hi, my name is Brian Butler, and today I brought my 53 Studebaker. I had a 53 Studebaker in high school, so it's really very, very dear to me. I've been coming to this show for 5 years, I guess. No, 6, as a matter of fact. And it's a great show. It's unbelievable, the cars that come here. The car is a very, very original 53 Stude. It's even got the original interior in it that came from the factory. So kind of an unusual find for me.
Hello, my name is Eugene. This is Kathy Walther, and we're here at the Antique Festival over here in Midland, and today we brought a 1901 Oldsmobile Curb Dash. This car was hand built by me, and it's got a 5-horse engine, top speed about 18 miles an hour. We've been doing this show for about 8 years and so forth. I have 5 other cars in which I do bring to this show. And we like doing oddball cars and stuff that people don't really see a whole lot of.
Hello, my name is David Vox. This is my 1940 Chevrolet pickup truck, which was originally my brother's. He got the truck back in 1975. Unfortunately, he never got the opportunity to finish it. One night, we lost him at the racetrack. We had just prior to that started working on this truck. Finished it a few years ago, and I try to bring it to the Midland show here all the time because it was one of the shows that me and my brother would come and look at the cars and trucks to get an idea. That's why I had a pretty good idea of what he wanted to do with the truck.